Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to tell you how to uninstall BlueStacks from your PC. First you need to go to Start menu, then go to Control Panel, then go to Programs and Features, and look for BlueStacks icon. You can see it has occupied almost 2 GB space. Click on it, and from here click on Uninstall. Now here you'll see this message. Please wait until the program is finished installing or being changed. Now click on OK and wait little. Here you'll see this window. If you want to select the reason, then you can. Otherwise, click on Uninstall. Again, click on Uninstall. And it will start uninstalling BlueStacks on your PC. Now BlueStacks is uninstalled and click on Completed. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.